Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Our recipe today is a easy and simple 4-ingredient mashed potatoes. But these mashed potatoes are not your regular mashed potatoes. They are super creamy and very easy to make. Let's get started. To get a head start, I start up my pressure cooker on saute mode. I added 5 peeled and sliced potatoes to my pot, and I heated water in my kettle. Add about 6 to 8 cups of water. I used russet potatoes. Put your lid on your pressure cooker and set it to 10 minutes on a vegetable steam. After your potatoes are done, drain them and add them to a bowl. And today we're not using a potato masher. We're actually going to use a hand mixer. Start out by adding 1.5 cups of softened butter, and I cut it up into little cube slices. The hand mixer is going to give you a creamy and smooth texture without working your hands. After your potatoes and butter have been mixed well, slowly start adding in 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Start out by adding about 1 teaspoon of salt. At the end, you can taste it, and if you need more, you can always add more. And then start working in all the ingredients together until you get a creamy-like texture. And your mashed potatoes are ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this simple and easy recipe, and I hope you enjoy making it at home. Look at those creamy and smooth mashed potatoes. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my page on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram for more recipes.